Smartwatches have gained immense popularity due to their versatility and convenience. With a smartwatch on your wrist, you can streamline your daily activities, stay connected, and track your health goals effortlessly. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who values the integration of technology into their lifestyle, smartwatches offer a compelling solution. Smartwatches are packed with an array of features that cater to various needs and preferences. They can track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and even analyze your sleep patterns. Many models offer built-in GPS, allowing you to navigate without the need for a smartphone. You can receive and reply to messages, answer phone calls, control your music playlist, and access a wide range of applications directly from your wrist. Beyond the essential features, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.